Jamie says I am trying to do a print book in a custom size of 4.25 by 7. KDP says it can be done, but no one seems to know how to help me. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customise your book trim size. So keep watching.
The Evelyn Winters Adventure.
Before using a customised trim size, take a look at the expanded distribution information on KDP. Expanded distribution helps you reach more readers through bookstores, online retailers, libraries and academic institutions. So KDP does allow you to enter your own custom trim size, but the width must be between 4 and 8.5 inches and the length within 6 and 11.69 inches. To enable expanded distribution, it has to meet the KDP's trim size eligibility requirements. All specifications are shown below, so be aware your custom trim size will not be eligible if it doesn't match these. First, open Google and type in paperback manuscript template. Select the KDP link. Scroll down to the template downloads. You can choose between a blank template or with sample content. Click Download. Open the download in the bottom left corner of your screen. Select the zip folder for your language. In this case, we are going to choose the smallest template size. Enable editing. If your Word documents are set to centimetres, you can change them to inches by selecting File, Options, then Advanced, and scroll down to show measurements in units of. Change this to inches and then select OK. Select the Layout tab and click on the Page Setup Launcher. Select the Paper tab. Then simply change the width and height to your custom size. In this case, it will be 4.25 by 7. Click OK to apply. When uploading your book to KDP, you can add your custom trim size under the print options. Click on Select a different size. Here you will see popular, standard and non-standard trim sizes. We will enter our own sizes under Self-Defined Trim Size. Choose either centimetres or inches. Then enter your width and height. Click on Select to apply. And that's how to customise your manuscript trim size. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe.